Hello everyone, my name is Azad and you are watching Job Express. For those who don't know, I'm just telling that I made videos on jobs all over, jobs all over the world, jobs abroad, jobs, visa, travel, and everything about the jobs for the foreign countries. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, to please subscribe it, and if you like this video, to then like it and share it with your friends and family. Okay. So today in our video we will talk it about LinkedIn, how LinkedIn is helpful for us to get a job abroad. If you aim to build a profile, if you aim to get a job abroad, LinkedIn is the perfect solution for you. You can not only get the job, you will also build your career and establish yourself outside in the world. So basically, what is LinkedIn? I'm just telling you that this is my profile you are watching right now. Okay, I've just put my profile very common, and it is not so it is not so highly professional. It is normal in the context. You can build your profile like this, and I have mentioned my personal things in about sections in a in a very short form. You can mention it very well, and this is my profile. You can see it very well. These are my activities. You can build your profile like this, or you can make it more interesting and attractive also. So basically the thing is that when you make your account, just make it very professional, because when you are applying for a job, the HR managers and every person who are in and every persons will watch your profile, and they see that how professional you are. So you have to build your profile very strong and make it very professional. Okay. So if you don't know how to make how to create an account on LinkedIn, just comment me on the comment box. I will make a detailed video on how to create a LinkedIn profile. Okay. So basically in this video I am just going to tell you that how with the help of LinkedIn we'll build a profile and ask and apply for a job abroad. Okay, what are the ways to use LinkedIn, and with the free version of the LinkedIn we can take up the following benefits, and we can apply for the jobs and get the jobs outside the world, abroad world. Okay. So basically this is the profile. You have to build a profile like this, or you can make it extraordinary also. So after building it, you just have to do nothing, just make you can also subscribe to many jobs alerts and all that things you are seeing like that in my profile. So you can do like this also, just like this Maldives hospitality jobs and all this. I have just subscribed all these because they used to provide all the post notification and all that, and I just get information about them, how what is the right now jobs and all that things. You can do these also, but I don't think these are very much effective for us, because if you are applying for a specific country or a specific job category, these will not work so extremely. For that you have to use the LinkedIn features, just like you are seeing on the above jobs. Here you are seeing the jobs. You can use these features of LinkedIn to get a job abroad, and you can easily migrate to any country, any professions, because this is the these features of LinkedIn is very powerful to give you a job. Okay, so how you can use that, I'm just telling in this video. So if you click on this sections jobs, you will land on this page. This is the page where you can find anything, any jobs which you are searching for, and if for any places. This is not for the specific purpose, so you can find anything from anywhere. Okay. So basically I'm just telling that key, and this is the place where you can customize your all the skills and everything, and you will find the things in your right way. So I'm just telling you that key, how to use these features of LinkedIn. So when you click on this job section, you will land on this page. When you land on this page, there is the options that search for your next job, and there you will find that these options and these options. Here is the interface of this page. Basically they are providing this information based on my profile, and here are some of the jobs which are listed right now on the LinkedIn. But these are not so effective, because I have to find jobs according to me, customize my job according to me. So for that you have to write here, you have to make your searches here and do it in your own way. So I'm just writing here, just example I'm taking that I'm just applying for for the example I'm just telling that I'm just applying for a restaurant manager or any hotel manager. Okay, so this is the hotel manager, I'm just put it there, and I want in any one the country, basically I want in Canada or any country, but right now I'm just put the option about Canada. So you can also choose worldwide, United States and Vancouver, any country, any location. Okay, so right now I'm just choosing Ontario, Canada. Okay, you will get all the notifications, all the jobs in Ontario, Canada related to hotel manager. Okay, you are seeing right now on this page. So these are the jobs, according to your right now searches. So basically these are the jobs you can find and you can apply in any jobs if it match with your profile. Okay, so here is one example, just this is one. Okay, it is auto selected. So these are the detail of this job position: hotel managing supervisor, needs in Fort Erie, CA. Okay, and this is the 112 views, and this is the process. If you want these jobs to apply, you can click on this position, and if you want to save these jobs, you can save it by clicking here. Okay, these are the job profile. Okay, what are the job profiles and all these details are mentioned here. This is the company profile. You can watch the company about, you can click and follow the company also, and you can also go and visit the company profile also from here. Okay, so these are the positions. If you want to apply on this position, you will click on there here, and you will get in the another page, and there will guide you how to apply this, the whole process. So this on this way you can find any job in any country, any province. This is not for the only Canada, you can find anywhere. It is available for anyone. Okay, so here this is the premium feature, this is the basic feature of LinkedIn. You can use that. There are a premium feature also, but it is not so good right now for you. You can get a lots of benefit from the free features also. Okay, so if you like these jobs and if you find these jobs very useful, you can also create a job alert for it. Okay, so basically after before creating job alert, I'm letting you some more information about that. If you want to customize these options more, you can choose from there. Okay, if you want to choose the date, date of the job posted, you can select it from here: past 24 hour, past week, past month. If you want jobs from the past month, you can select it here and click the apply, then you will find the jobs on the past month. If you want to set your experience level, you can select it from here. How much experience do you want? Entry level you want, associate, mid, senior level, director, what is your seniority, you can mention it here. If you want for the company, you can find it from here, which company you are applying for. And if you want to job type, you can select it from here also. And if you want remote work, then you can also do it from that areas. These are the some features and the filters you can use to find a job in a particular province with the help of this. Okay, so if you like this and if you find this job very useful, so you can create a job alert for it. For that you have to just click it here. Okay, and here it is asking that key, if you want to get this notifications job search, so it is in on a daily basis or on a weekly basis. They will send you the mail on a daily basis or on a weekly basis. If you want on a daily basis, you can select it there daily. And if you want to get this notification by email or by notification or by email and notification, so you can select it by here. So if you select any options, you have to click a save, and if you when you save these options, so this option has been saved, and you can see that key search alert created. So this is the way how to set a job alert on LinkedIn, and you can find your profile on LinkedIn. Okay, basically you have to build your profile very strongly, and you have to connect with the HRs and the company professionals, and you can make your profile so strong and build build your profile so that everyone can watch your profile and you can easily land in a job. So in this video I've just tell a short about the LinkedIn, what is LinkedIn, how to get a job in LinkedIn. Okay, if you want a detailed video on LinkedIn, how to build a profile, how to make a good profile in LinkedIn, just comment me on the comment box below. I will make a detailed video on that. So for today, this is the for today it is up to here. I'm just closing my video. Okay, if you don't haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. And for this kind of videos, I'm just if you like this video, just share it with your friend and family. Okay.